I'm so muted. Me when I didn't turn my mic on. Yeah, I didn't record anything all morning, but welcome in everyone. Kappa, Gitile, D24, everyone over on the Twitch. Oh, Ham's over on the YouTube. Hello, hello. Oh, and actually I did want to edit one thing in the title. I wanted to specify Godot in the title, just because that is a good search term to have in the title. And welcome in Nevaeh over on the YouTube as well. We've got a little game we're working on here that I've been calling Wobble Jump Wizard. So think of it this way. You're a wizard, and I mean you can jump. You're a little wizardy guy who can jump and stuff. But you gotta learn spells, do the other things like your double jump and your wall jump. So you've got your wall jump there, so it seems pretty straightforward, right? Well, my concept, at least initially, for this game, and I definitely plan to build on this more. I think I want to add more other, like, spells that you can do. But the concept was, whatever, you're an apprentice wizard or something, you're, like, learning new spells, but you mixed up, or someone else, like, mixed up your notes between your double jump and your wall jump. So I've got this kind of wall jump functionality, but it's actually just your double jump. If you try to do a double jump, it'll act like you just jumped off a wall. And I want to add a little animation, so like it'll maybe do a little magic wall and he kicks off it or something. But there's some weird things with it. The idea, and again, this is all very work in progress. Literally day 2 of working on this. Yeah, kind of. I had all the art made beforehand, and the concept is something I'd worked on, like, I think at some point over the summer. But, oh, it's a process. I also want to redo the back here. I don't think I want to keep these bricks. I want to do something a bit simpler. But the idea is, like, this would be sort of a tutorial where you're supposed to, like, be learning your double jump move. So, well, you try to jump, but you can't. So instead, you gotta, well, make the first jump in the way that you can, which is backwards. Because once you're in the air, you can't change direction. You can move around a little bit, but you won't flip around. But what you can do with that is jump, and then, well, double jump. And you can make it just fine. And similar principle here. But I added a couple little things. If you're walking in one direction, and then press the other direction, you'll face that way, which makes it a lot easier to do these jumps off the ledge. And even still, it's not, like, the easiest. But we're gonna do a little bit more, probably, level design. Some more art stuff. Oh, and it's also so nice how easy it is to set up the controls. I added controller support. Literally, you go in the project settings, input map, and then if you have a controller or whatever connected up, you just hit, I want to tie another button to move left. Actually, I have to add the D-pad. So I just press left D-pad. And right D-pad. And that's it, we're done. It just works. I can just use the D-pad now. Which I guess does kind of let you do that turnaround thing. Is a little janky. You kind of have to claw and grip it, but that does allow you to do that a bit more easily. Weird. But it's fun messing around with it. Then I added a couple more animations. You can see when I jump, if I'm moving upwards, it, like, his hat and cloak go down a little bit, and then when you're falling, they billow back up, kind of like it would be. And I made his eye move a little bit just to add a little bit more animation to him. Oh, and might as well pop it up into full screen. This is really how it'll be seen, pretty much. But I want to make the background a lot simpler looking. There's a lot of noise going on screen with all the bricks. And this guy needs just, I think, a little bit of shading. I think I need to put just a little bit more work into the sprite art. It is set to 1920 by 1080. It's like windowed. Let's see, how do I full screen it? Can I just hit? No, I probably need to project settings. I actually haven't tried doing it full screen. Window. Oh, windowed. Full screen. Oh, actually I have it by 1280 720 just for scaling purposes, but it'll scale up to full screen on your window. Because at the end of the day, it doesn't matter whether I do it 1920 by 1080 or 720p, or as long as it's a multiple that is more of than the actual number of pixels I have for my pixel art here, it'll be fine. Because basically with a lot of games like this with pixel art, they usually are often rendered in like 128 by 320 or 320 by 640, and then you just scale it up, which might end up being what I do here. We'll just sort of have to see how it goes as we keep going with this. But for now, let's add some more stuff. Wait, how do I leave? How do I make it stop? I don't have a quit button. Take me back. Stop it. Alright, let's get back into that. No more full screen. Windowed. You could start it minimized. That's kind of funny. Cool. Love it. Love it. I hate having the flu. Oh, that sucks. Hate to hear it. Hope you feel better soon. Yeah, that is... Being sick always... It's just... I mean, it's just more annoying than anything. I always found it. It's like, I mean, it feels bad. You feel bad, but... It's like, I want to be doing stuff. Add a keybind to open and close the game. Oh, well, this probably just has a hotkey, yeah. I didn't even think about that. F5 to start. F8 to stop. Very nice. Yeah, and I'll eventually add a like actual menu for you to quit the game with. I mean, most games don't have just like a button to quit. It would be nice for testing, but I've got F8 apparently. Good call out. Yeah, systems like these always have some nice hotkeys. I did a little bit more adjusting on the hitbox here, because I think I like it better with the rectangles on the corners. He doesn't slip off as much. I found this nice little snap length parameter that I think that's how this works. Is it keeps you at... Oh, I know, it's kept attached to slopes. Actually, I guess this really probably came more into play when it was still rounded, because that would be like on a slope? I don't know. Either way, what else did I add? I don't think anything crazy aside from just the turnaround ability. Oh, and I messed with the forces a bit just to get the movement nicer. You're not slipping and sliding all over the place. Let's see. Anti-grav. Cool. So we want to add... I don't even know what I want to add next. Maybe just things to collect. Could also maybe just do some more art with it. Because we do have... Actually, I should just get the sprite sheet opened up anyway. Yeah, you know what? That might be the next step. Do something for the background. What are you doing for the background? Or to get the, like, the parallax effect is what that is? Yeah, it's like I just have a tile map for everything. It's literally the same thing. Oh, wait. Tile map. This guy. Yeah, it's literally just another shade of where is... There we go. This is what I was looking for. This is really... We've got everything, and we've just got a few different color sets. I think... Yeah, I like the lighter ones. I had a darker version that I tried. Was not a fan. But I just made another variant just to have for the background for now. But I don't know. I think I kind of want to make it like a castle wall, sort of. Like, I'm just using like a GIMP for pixel art, though. It does the job. Let's see. Oh, pop this up. And just, let's see. Move my file navigation stuff over in just a second. Slide that there. Hey, welcome in, Mr. Noob Golem. Hello, hello. Let's see. Put all of the wizard stuff onto a single tile set here. So now we can actually just edit the sprite sheet a lot more easily. Throw a grid on there too. The walk cycle, yeah, it's literally just the feet shuffle back and forth. The idle animation is just chilling. There's no actual animation to it. The shrimp check, yeah, we can do a little shrimp check and get that posture in order. Let's see. Yeah, and I added a little thing for when he's jumping now. The hat and stuff go down a little bit. But what else do we want to add? I guess we'll kind of get into it. Well, maybe we do more on the turnaround. Well, I kind of want to edit his sprite and just make it nicer. Give him a little shading under the hat and on the back of his neck here. Maybe, and honestly, probably just that. Your dog got sprayed by a skunk. Oh no. Oh, I hate to hear it. Poor puppy. Oh. And poor you. Oh. Pasta in order. I got my pasta in order. All my pasta's always in order. Alphabetized, even. From a pasta that starts with A to ZD. I got it. I've got there. What's a pasta type that starts with A? A pasta. Got the mace yesterday. Hell yeah. That can be your grind. Or you can get it on like the second try. Like friggin', I don't remember who it was. One of the hermits was hanging out with Doc, who had been like hunting down the maces. Or actually it might have just been the books specifically for a long time. I think it might have been Gem. Who just like, yeah, you just go in there and you get it, no problem. Dude Wizard, thank you. Yeah, we're working on a game with him. I've got stuff going here. Little wizardy dude. I feel like he's a little out of place in the environment right now. I think he needs a little bit more shading, like we've got on the bricks here. There's a little bit there. He just feels kind of flat, is really what it is. I mean, he is literally flat, but you know what I mean. I think just a little bit of shading on the back of the neck, under the hat, under the beard there. We've already got a little bit of darkness under there. I think he looks pretty good. He looks pretty dang good. Just a few little tweaks here and there is what we're working on. First day of the server and you got it? Heck yeah. It's last night, but the smell's mostly gone now. Good to hear, yeah. Skunk smell, luckily it doesn't really hang around too bad. Like it is pretty bad, and it does hang around. Like it's not just like a shower, we'll clear it off. You're gonna need a few showers. I've never been sprayed, and luckily I haven't had like a pet sprayed or anything either. But we definitely have skunks in the area. I got sidetracked learning coding stuff. Heck yeah. Yeah, no, code stuff is a big fun time. It's, I mean, what I do, I mean, sort of do for work, but ideally we're doing it here for funds. Why does he have a blue beard? Why not? He's a wizard. I was watching a video, I saw you were streaming. Didn't notice you were making a game. Heck yeah, yeah, we literally, I mean, kind of. I did make this, I'll boot it up again. I made a version of this in Unreal Engine like a year ago at some point. And I decided that engine is not gonna work too well for us down the line. It was already like a pain trying to code in the like whole double jump, wobble jump mechanic that we've got. Like basically trying to make alterations to their double jump, but it's so much nicer here where I've just got the script and I can just write it myself from scratch. Like it doesn't sound like it would be nicer, but it is. Like, I've been programming for, geez, over a decade now. I started, like, I mean, I did, like, Scratch and stuff in middle school. A lot of Scratch from MIT. You may have heard of. I did a lot of stuff there, but in high school we had a robotics team where I learned Java, and I would have been, yeah, like 14, 15 when I started learning it. I'm 25 now, so moving a thing around a screen is pretty simple stuff. It's like, this is something it's like, what I have here is something I definitely could have done in high school. It would not have been able to be done in a single day like I did yesterday, but at the end of the day, this isn't actually too complex. But it really is, as with any skill, just time, practice. Like, the more you do it, the better you'll get at it. Do it poorly at first, make the mistakes, and you'll learn from them. it just takes the patience and time. Which one of these is saturation? Oh wait, there we go. Need the HSV. He's got a blue beard because of magic. Managed to code without issues. Love to see it. Love to not have any errors. Man, we had plenty of issues yesterday. I was like, there were definitely moments in stream where I was just staring at it, trying to work through the logic in my head. Like, if you press jump and you have a jump and you're on the ground and you should jump, but getting the coyote time to work was honestly the biggest hassle. Coyote time is a very, very cool thing. Let's see, I wonder if there's a nice just little gif that we can maybe just show. But you may be familiar with you know, like, what's it? The Looney Tunes type cartoons where, I mean, the coyote will, let's say, like, run off a cliff. Yeah, here we go. Something along the lines of this guy. You run off the cliff, but then you're just kind of hanging there for a second. So in a lot of games where, especially in platformers, you'll have some time after you run, even after you run off a ledge. Like, if you try to jump, it feels kind of bad if you, like, get right to the edge and press jump and you just fall, like, you just miss it. But if you give the player just a little moment, like literally 0.1 seconds of extra time to just make a jump even when they're off the edge, it just helps with the feeling and the flow of the game. Makes it feel a lot nicer. You might have even seen there, I actually went down just a little bit before I, got the jump out. Oh. Let's see. My dad is barely asleep because of the smell. That's rough. Yeah, you got the magic beard. You tried to make a game once. Unable to make a movable square or print on the screen. Favorite feature is a lack of frame buffer. Oh yeah. Always. We got a nice little turnaround working. I got that in there last night. Well, yeah, I don't know. Let's see. I don't think I've used Game Maker at all. This is, honestly, I've used Unity a little bit. Unreal? Actually, here we go. Let me actually show off the game as it was whenever we worked on this. How do I play? Oh, there we go. Play. There we go. Here's our guy. Look at he go. Moving around. I will admit, I like the air movement here, but he has... Oh. Yeah, similar stuff going on here. Wall jump. But similar idea was the goal. But he doesn't have the nice little turnaround. I think, yeah, we do have the coyote time. But I think I managed to recreate this pretty well. In what we've got here. Similar movement. Plus it's all up for tweaking. Plus actually, I don't want you to have, once you like make a jump, you commit to it. Like that's definitely going to be a little bit of a weird thing for people probably. People are very used to being able to jump and have a lot of air maneuverability, but you're committed to jumps in this one. It's sort of the idea. But we'll get there when we get there. Oh, I'm not making that. Oh, I'm making that. Woo! We're gonna do a little bit of this. Mess around in GB Studio. In different versions of RPG Maker. RPG Maker I do know a little bit about. My friend made something in there once. Just a little... kind of just test game. But it was a cool time. I thought you could only make 3D stuff in Unreal Engine. Nah, you absolutely can do 2D. I mean, it's like... not true 2D, but in the same way that a lot of games... and actually, I guess this one probably is truly being 2D, just parallax. Has a cool effect to make things look more 3D. Most engines nowadays are really what you might call 2.5D. It's 3D in that it's really a bunch of... It is 2D, but they are literally layered behind and in front of each other. And you'll also see plenty of like 2D games like literally any like modern Mario, Sonic, whatever. It's like Metroid, like it's a 2D side scroller, but everything's a 3D model. There are things moving in and out of the background. Like you're just playing in 2D. So basically all that it takes is just lock everything to one axis of movement. Just make it so that the player can move in the X and the Y, but they are always at whatever 0 on the Z axis. Even if something like hits them, like they never move there. Let's see. I'm getting back into the art though. Just want it a little darker. head. And actually, not even the saturation. I want the value. I'm gonna go get in a fever. We'll see you later, D24. Feel better. That always sucks. Hope that passes quickly. Drop saturation a little bit. Nice. Yeah, pencil tool. Right. Should I just put everything on the same layer? Do I care? Do I care? I should keep them on different layers. Get an FPS game for Game Boy. They have FPS games for Game Boy? Oh, actually, yeah, that looks great. I want the same thing there. I think this next should be lighter. Yeah, just the one on the back. Yeah. Wow, just a little bit. That's nice. Yeah, it's like, I feel like that I went maybe a little overboard with doing the dithering on his cloak too, but I think he looks good. But we'll make these a bit darker too, so roll click to grab that. Bring the value down 10 or so. Same thing here. A little bit darker under the beard. Yeah. I don't really know if that makes much of a difference. It looks fine though. Okay. Definitely just kind of copy and paste that over the tops of some of these other ones. I think it might even just be easier to... Oh, right. Draw it out on the other layers, though. Okay, fine. They're getting merged together. I don't see why it would be a problem. Let's just call this the Wizard. What the heck? That was weird. What I got this for? I can use this thing in a minute to turn on. The LEDs are on top. I always look at the side on the button. I'm like, it's not turning on. It's on, my guy. And then let's see. We got keyboard action. One there, one there. One there. There. Grab you. Oh. Grab these. Just a little bit of shading. It ain't much, but it's honest work. It goes in. Yes! Can't believe we actually reached the one down there. There. Cloak. Cool. Boom, boom, boom. And we can just kind of do some copy pasting in future as we make more of these sprites. I mean, I can't change this design too much. Otherwise, things are going to start to get complicated. But let's see. I'm also going to do the same thing on the pants here. Got just a little bit. Well, so already like where they are. It feels like, yeah, I feel like you should have something there. So let's see. Grab this. Same thing. Whoa, what the heck? Why is there... Wait, what the heck? What? Facing? Dynamics? Jitter. No, I don't want jitter. That's what that was. That was weird. I do forget though. It's like, that's funny. Actually, I literally. Oh shoot. Wait, oh god, what was it? Why? There we go. Okay. Saw a video about this where middle gray. There's like values for gray. Favorite 3D game is Star Fox 2 though. Star Fox 2, good game. I haven't like beaten any of the Star Fox games. I've played a lot of them just like to try them out, but I can never get through there. Took a screenshot. For some reason I can't open it. Do you have any suggestions for how to open it? I mean, it should just be in your screenshots folder, right? In the Minecraft instance that you used. I think. Supposed to be darker at the bottom. Would it just like be darker? I like having the contrast between his feet there. So I think maybe, yeah, maybe this should be a bit darker along the bottom hem. Also, I didn't think maybe we could just do like a different color on the hem. This actually change the color. Yeah, like what if I did some oh boy. Nope. Oh boy. There we go, okay. If I did like, yeah, some like gems or something. Got rubies embedded bottom here. With my other thought is maybe just make the whole here yellow like it's gilded or something. I think that's too much. I could just make it a much darker blue though, just all throughout. Just to kind of make the bottom a little bit more clear. Like that, maybe? That's how we're going to be seeing him. Okay, I definitely do not want the whole line like that. If anything, it would be to do something like this. Is that one different color? I think I undid what I had done there. Yeah, I think I did. It's not actually any different. That's what I thought. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe even darker. Too dark. But as I was saying, the middle gray is like not quite. It's not like 50% between white and black, because we see brightness a bit differently. So like at 50%, it actually looks like quite bright, if I remember right. And I mean, this isn't actually proper because you've got a whole bunch of huge values and stuff in here. But like 50% brightness is really like 18% gray or something. Then at some point, our eyes just start seeing things like, at some point, like once you hit some threshold, it's like, even at like, once it's like 80% white, it's like, it basically just looks like it's all bright white to our eyes. In terms of like light and brightness, I don't really fully understand it either. I saw a short about it. I'm no expert on color grading or anything. I like that. Maybe I double up on the darkness and maybe bring it up just this one layer. Oh. How did that happen? Oh, there. Wait, yeah, what? Yeah, it's feel like that. I don't think I want it on these. Maybe just this one? And then I'm debating whether I want to do the same for these. Let's see. Oh, actually, let me see this color again. Yeah, I think good leaving it brighter. I don't know. We should even bring it up. A little weird. Feels like at this point. I don't know. I kind of like that. Whoa, I forgot about that. Middle click, control middle click, moving the mouse up and down. Wild. Okay. That's gonna be too much. It's like, I think I like the idea of having the shading. I don't know how much in practice I actually like it. I'm gonna do something a little weird here. Let's try to bring it up just a little bit. Damn, is that already like... I mean, it's lighter than that one. Darker than this. Okay. Thinking maybe you can just do it just a little bit, bits and pieces. Make it a bit more of just a gradient all the way up. Well, nice. Really, I can hardly tell. Yeah, okay, let's make this just a little bit darker. This is down at, yeah, 59. We can make this 3. These were down at 59. That's a little bit. Okay. Something here. Just slightest bit. Now we really are gonna have to start copy pasting stuff. Oh, there we go. Now he's got just a nice little subtle gradient to him. I think he looks a lot nicer with that. So now the tricky part. Oh, it's gonna be copy pasting him over himself a few times here now, because I'm not redoing all that for all the things. I don't think there's any major changes to his shape on this one. Same here. This one, okay, literally just his feet shuffling. Brings them together down there. I see, I see. Merge down. Merge down. Pencil tool back. Pick these up. Boom. Cool. Another one. You here. So then let's see. I guess let's match the beard up. Is that what's up? Wait. Is that right? Yeah, that's right. Cool. Alright, so this one we're actually going to do a little bit of other weird work with here. Right, I'm just going to use like the select tool and just get rid of pixels individually. No, this was, yeah, falling. Oh, this out of the way. Let's bring that up a pixel. Oh. Wait, yeah, what? There we go. And grab these, those. What else? Oh, all that. Yeah, let's see. Layer to image size. Now I can actually draw on here. Okay. Oh, wait, what the hell? Yeah, wait, at what point did I do that? What the hell? Man. Alright. Well, quick fix on it. Let's see. You, like we had before, you go there. Then there. Image. Layer. Layer to image size. Now I can draw outside the border of it. But first, these on the bottom. These. Yeah, need to go up. So, we do the same thing. Basically, copy paste those upwards a little. Same color. Maybe that yellow one there. Yep. Alright. Nothing else too different than normally. This one's the wrong color. Oh, what the hell? Oh, when did that get there? Wait, what? Okay. I don't know what's going on here. Okay, yes, there is some cloak over on the other side of that. I'm copy and pasting this again. Taking you. Copy. Paste. Get over here. Third time's the charm. We've got this. Let's see. We're in the right place here. Get rid of those. Yeah, oh. Perfect. And then the otherwise shape. Yeah, let's see. How is that done? Take this gap, leave it up there. And let's just get rid of these, right? Kinda. Just those guys cut out. Wait, what? Okay. Oh, I can't tell where's... Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna draw over a bunch of it. Oh. So why is this? Okay. I guess it's just what it's like. Okay. And this looks right now? Yeah? I think that's... Oh. Oh, shoot. Yeah, no, that's right. Jesus, okay. Yeah, it's got a little weird there, I think. You know, something is wrong. Yeah, that should just be up a layer here. I really thought I did this one already. Use, delete. Okay. I think that's right now. I'm trying to just play like spot the difference here in terms of the shape. I think it looks right. Good. Okay. Then we merge down. Do it again. This one should be a bit easier because I think this one, yeah, I just added some on the bottom. Okay. Thank God. Alright, grab you. Perfect. Alright, cool. The old export as the tile set. Replace it. Go into here. And then I think it's straight up as simple as if I let's see, where did it save that? Oh, right, I have this stuff saved in Godot. Didn't I put it there? No. Forgot, I meant to move my folders around. I accidentally saved this project just in the straight up documents folder instead of within my Godot stuff. So now things are a little messed up. Let's see. Wizard sprite, wizard... Oh wait, I forgot. I left the grid on it. Oh, I didn't actually even export it yet. Hide the grid. What? Fucking grid. How does that... Alright, well, it'll be easier to clear out the grid than it will be to get rid of these guys. God damn it. Alright, layer. No, filters, render, pattern, grid. Mode. Erase. No, mode. Erase. There we go. Okay. God dang. Alright, I do want a grid layer though, so let's add a new one. Call it grid still. Filters, render, pattern, grid. Down low. 1. Make it black. Give it, what is it? Something like 60% opacity. Actually, that thing's pretty light, actually. Whatever. Grid hidden. Save. Export. Export. Do it. Okay. Now, we make this tile set. Swap it out in here. And it should just be in there. Oh. No, it isn't. Let me make it do that, though. Because I forgot. The tile sets for the wizard, he's pulling from different things now. I think Oh. I figured that would just update it all. Alright, whatever. We... couple things around here. Where do we want to put him? Where are these? Delete. Add frames for sprite sheets. Nope. Sprites. What? Assets. It's 32 by 32. Walking. Did I not export it right? And I accidentally opened Unreal. What? Yeah. Whoa. There we go. Okay. Let's swap these out. Falling. There we go. Oops. Save. There we go. Look at him now. It's subtle, but I think he looks a lot nicer. Cool. Just a little bit more movement on him. Nothing crazy. Cool. I like it. I like it. Maybe we figure something else out for the background now. That should be pretty doable. Goodbye, wizard. Wee. Wee. I like that I have the eyes pointed down when he jumps. I think that looks good. Neutral name. Good. Cool. Oh. Next. I mean, definitely could use more level design work, but... Again, I'm going to figure out what we want to do for the background here. I'm debating if I want to do something like... big gray castle background. I definitely think I want a night sky behind it, out windows. I'll do a little parallax effect. But I want to keep this simple. I don't think I'm going to have anything, but maybe I'll just do like other colors of the brick, swap it out from purple to whatever for different areas. But I think I want the background and walls to all pretty much be the same. I'm picturing kind of a relatively like dark gray brick sort of look. So you know what, here, let's just set up a new, and hell, I'll make it 1280 by 720. Because I guess ideally I have some kind of castle texture with windows maybe that just sort of loops. Oh, is this thing dead? Or was it just recognized I weren't using it? Like, well, no, actually, maybe a grid. Oh, no. You just gotta make sure this is one, like, big tileable piece of art. And, well, actually, I don't want it to be, like, my 720. What kind of is our window size? Like, I think we're full screen. I think that's a good size for the character. It shouldn't be huge, but, like, he's noticeable. Yeah, I think a little bit of shading goes a long way with them. I do really like that turnaround. That definitely helps a lot. Especially with lining up stuff like that. Okay. So, Well, yeah, let's figure out what our kind of screen resolution is here. It's gonna be a real rough guesstimate, but kind of across. Let's see. Really easier if I can just count out the tiles. Pretty much, yeah, from middle tile there, right before the wall. So if I go into the tile map layer here, and I'll just turn on like paint mode or something. Oh, we can actually see. So this is 16, 25. So we're in column 16, and this is column 55. Oh boy. Wait. Math. So I mean that's 40 or 39 tiles across. Right? Is that including? So wait, if I go from, let's say, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. No, because that would be... Yeah, right. Tile 20 to tile 30, there are 11... No. Yes, yeah, there are 11 tiles here. Because 20 through 29 is 10 of them. So 16 through 55... My math, my brain doesn't want to do this math right. 55, 39, but it's actually 40. Yeah, so there's 40, but then the bricks are 32 across. Wait, no way. It is 12. Of course it's 1280 by 720. I told it to be 1280 by 720. Okay, I am right about this. I'm like, something about this, it's always things like that. It's always the simple things that confuse you the most. It's like, this should be intuitive, and surprise, it is. You just gotta be ready for it. I'm just ready to work through the logic of it. But there's a form is more of a troubleshooting tip for coding. If you're ever stuck on something, some kind of problem that you just cannot work through it, you're looking at your code, it does not make sense. Explain it to someone, walk through it, line by line. Explain what the code is doing to someone as if they've never seen the code before. Potentially, and this is where the name of it comes from, they're just a rubber duck. Oh, Jesus Christ, he's getting green screen to heck. Sit on your desk. It's called rubber duck decoding. You look at it, walk through it logically, and oftentimes you'll find where that flaw in logic is. It's like, oh, this is supposed to be less than, not greater than. Little things like that are almost always the problems. Alright, I'm putting off doing this though. What kind of color do we want with it? I guess just a generic, sort of gray-ish one. I think it should be kind of dark. I want it to be nighttime out. I think I'm going to have a night sky behind it. Well, for the actual castle itself, I guess let's just start big. It's a new layer. I'll just call this base color for now. We'll figure out the details of what we actually want it to look like later on. But for now, I mean, the hue don't matter here. We got no hue. We're here for the color. A darker brick? I don't know if I want it to be like dark stone. I think I should have it be a lighter stone with some stuff in there. So, okay, you know, let's just look at some inspiration. Pixel art. Castle wall background. Like, what kind of stuff are other games here using? Castle parallax. And I mean, I know there's also totally just like resources I can get out there for free, but I'd love to just... Yeah, this is the kind of thing I'm looking for. Literally just a simple grayscale sort of wall. Darker at the top, lighter at the bottom. Because I don't want full-on bricks. Although looking at this, maybe I should, in areas like this, just have it be darkness, not just more bricks. I mean, I like the bricks. Like, the bricks in the background is just too much as well. But maybe if I got rid of all these, that would be better. I don't have, like, a fully blacked out tile or anything. Like, I just want the background to be simpler. There's going to be cool stuff going on, so... So, let's just call it, maybe not castle wall, but just stone wall background. Okay, kind of. I don't know, I like that just simple gradient stone one that I saw. I think I'm gonna just try to do something like that. But I think I want to add, like, maybe columns so that it'll actually loop through, and we'll do a little bit more structure with it. Yeah, something just like this. I like that stutter step thing going on there. So let's make this stupid simple. We'll take 3 colors. We'll take this, and then just go brighter from there. Let's see. Should it be very dark? How does this... What do we want to arc? It's like, should it... I think it should be mostly light. Maybe we'll add torches on the wall too. It's like, I think I want to add like details, ideally. Oh boy, yeah, that is narrow. No, let's undo that and those a little bit thicker, just so we can actually get a fill tool working across that. And even lighter. Perfect. Now I filled you. I filled you. Oop. Out. Oh, right. You, fill you. Perfect. Looks great. Now let's get pencil. Oh boy. What the hell? Okay. I mean, do I want to just like make it 32 pixels big? And then what we can just sort of do is draw ourselves in on a grid like this. Oh, you know what? Actually, we do want a grid. Let's do that. We'll see how this looks once I've actually done some stuff on it. I think I'm going to try to just start a little bit on the side here. Let's grid, render, pattern. 32 by 32. You just need to be one big. And we'll make you like a bright freaking red. Maybe lower the opacity a bit. Okay. Now... Okay, well, I mean, I guess now that... Think about it. 1 pixel. Yeah, 2 by 2. That's still not... That's still 2 by 2. Yeah, like these are all the same size. Alright. So we just need to find the size where it's the size of the grid, including that. Up. What the hell? I can't make it right. What? Can I make it? Oh, no, that makes it... I don't want that. I want it to be square still. I just want it to be 1 pixel bigger. No, not 2 pixels. How did that... Whatever. It'll just be a lot of stuff like, we'll just be doing that basically for all of these. And I mean, I guess some areas should stay pretty much the same. Wait. There we go. Okay. So a little bit more, something like that. Yeah. Okay. Do similar here. Oh. I don't know where I went. Went over or not. It. Wait a minute, so I got this. Up. Up. Oh. Oh, shift. No. Yeah. Spacebar. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1 little 2. This, yeah, I think this works pretty well. Let's see. We'll check this out in just a second. Okay, I think more variance is required. It also definitely should have, yeah, like, indents like that. I guess that's it. I didn't actually even really think about that. I don't need another layer on the bottom to do. Okay, I think there's gonna be a lot of little cleanup like that to be done. But I can get with this. I think I want to do this, yeah, a little bit more blocky rather than we've got it. God, I wish I could make it the right size. There, there's nothing. You just can't do anything. Wait, what if I made it? Actually, wait. What if I did make it? Wait, yeah, maybe I can't. It's like, I don't really care actually if it's too short, as long as it's the right width. Oh. Oh, it doesn't make it any wider. Oh, cool, cool. No. One. What? Oh, 0. Yeah, that's right. I mean, I could just go and just pull Risk 32 or oops, or just not at all. Yeah, I think that might be what I do. Kind of keep it to the grid. Is that worth it though? This grid is annoying. Like, if the brush size could just work, it wouldn't be a problem. Now we've got to do all those little bits of cleanup everywhere. Oh no. We'll see how this goes. I think I'll clean up this same way. I didn't even realize. Gotta get bottoms, sides here too. This red grid, that's part of it. Each one is like the top left of its respective box. There we go. Cool. Hey, welcome back. New golem. Hello, hello. Oh. Oh, whoops. We totally had some ads run on Twitch and I missed it. That's fine. Let's see. We'll keep that up there. Then cut this one back. Just a little bit. I don't want to go too crazy with it, actually. Now let's bring that back to there. See, how are we looking? Good. How are we looking? Nah. Let's fill that in. This. I think. Even, yeah. We'll bring it down to his. Good, good, good. Nice. Yeah, I don't want it to be too crazy. Like, similar to this. It's kind of the vibe. Then we can sort of mess with the hues and tones and all that later. I don't think it should ever go more than one phrase, kind of. That it's like it shouldn't ever expand out. Like I should never go down to here or all the way back up. Keep it relatively stepwise. Okay. Yeah, that one. Yeah, this bit. Actually, look. Another one. And we can start filling this in. Cool. A little bit of pixel arting. This guy down here. Keep it up. Grid. Looks good. Yeah. Make good at least. Like, oop. Mistakes were made. Cool, once we've got this, yeah, we'll have a background to deal with. I'll take some of these colors, try to throw in some pillars, maybe particularly along the edges. I guess at the end of the day, yeah, I don't really need to worry about these ends looping as much. It's actually, I mean, again, all on a grid, that's That is the goal here. I like that. I like that. I think I'm gonna do one missing right here, though. Give it a little bit more something. Take another one here. Will look good. Just to give it some more interest. Again, I think I broke my rule there. No more too big steps. And so that part is like, this just keeps standing out. I mean, this is meant to be the background. None of this should be like catching the player's eye too extremely. It shouldn't be boring, but definitely not meant to be the main focus. Yeah, I think filling this in would have been the move. Yeah, looks good. Yeah, like this part's like mirrored, actually. Just about. Alright, and then we can do similar down here. Let's get that grid up. I grabbed the red. We are painting the right layer though, yeah? Do you want to double check that? No grid? Okay. Looks good, right? Yeah, cool. Alright, yeah, we'll just bring this all the way across. We'll add some torches, we'll add some columns, we'll add some windows. I'm thinking throw in maybe some like tables and books scattered around. We can find a way to get those into a design somewhere. We'll make some sprites to just populate the stages with. I'll probably have things particularly to like be interacted with. Text boxes and tutorial type stuff is definitely going to be important. Back up. Here. I almost feel like I should bring the whole thing up. I think I made too much of this dark. I think I want to bring it up just a little bit. I say as I'm bringing the darkness even lower on here. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I messed up part of the thing there. There we go. Nope. There we go. Cool. This one here. And we're moving. Bring this back up a little bit. A couple of them. Oh, we can bring this one back up. Yeah. Yeah. Good, good. Cool. Some other things that I was thinking of adding and getting suggestions from some friends as well. Give them a little demo of what we put together yesterday. Definitely more spells would be cool. Something like an air dash maybe. And I've been thinking just with how I want like the lore, quote unquote, of the game to work. Like you've got your spell books and you gotta cast things, so you'll probably over time get more spells as you go. So maybe we'll start with, probably on the first level, literally just nothing. Just move and jump like you're just doing a platformer. But once it gets going, yeah, I'm gonna give one little notch in there. There you go. Glue something to it. Yeah, like that. Alright. And then the whole thing, it's getting moved up 2 layers here, just 1. I think I'll go with 2. Make sure this lines up right. Good. Image. Layer. Layer to image size. Fill. Also didn't realize the grid is cut off here at the bottom. Odd. Okay, this is cool. That's a background element. You know what, let's just add the base of it. Let's just see what we got. We'll throw this into where it needs to go. Let's see. Here's Vault-Up Wizard. I guess it's called this backgrounds. Call this wall. Stone wall. And export it there. It's stone wall. So now that here instead of a tile map layer. Actually, yeah, okay, how do I do a background? Godot. So, finish going background, blah 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 blah. Parallax background. Oh, scroll. Scroll. Repeat. There we go. Okay. So, I don't really. I just need it to be. Do I need a sprite then? The moving swap two images. So image repeat. Okay, this is like blah 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 blah. YouTube tutorial. We love it.
I'm going to show you how to create this scrolling background using a shader. In this video, I'm going to make menu keys. So
Oh no, that's not really what I want. Parallax, scrolling background, layers, sprites.
Set the image for the distant scenery. For the ground, it's only 128 pixel wide image, so I'm going to be setting the region to span the entirety of the Windows width, which is 1024 pixels in my.
Alright, so I think I just need a sprite then. You get a sprite, 2D sprite. Your texture will be, I guess you'd fall under assets. Do we have a separate folder for assets? Okay, yeah, I see. Tile sets, wizard sprite. Let's just throw the backgrounds folder in there. It doesn't look like that. New folder. It's called Peachy. You go in there. Quick load, stone wall. Brilliant. Okay. I guess it should be there, but okay. Good. good. Definitely the auto sprite. The animation region enabled. 220 and no 1280 by 720. Okay. Neat. It definitely could be smaller. So, because I think, well, no, that's the size of the doll. I guess I need to make it bigger, maybe. It's because with the way the camera zoomed, it doesn't actually scale down properly. This feels huge. But then again, that might just be the level design. No, it's... Oh no, it's each tile there is... right size. Like, it just feels like this. I want it to be more like this in our background, I think.
Wow.
More like that, but not quite. Yee. Hello. Thanks for the follow. Much appreciated. Hope you're having a good one. We're working on pixel art. Struggling. Oh, did I close the other one that I had up? Oh, what's this? Something like that. But it needs to be a much smaller scale. Well, I guess we can, let's see if we can't make that happen. So let's see. So we don't even show that. We don't even really need that anymore. Like, I think we can just get rid of it, but region. Alright, so what are we looking at with this?
To avoid stretching and instead repeat the image, I'm going to
Yes.
the image from the assets, and right from the import tab, I'm going to set the repeat flag to enable.
Ah. So wait, it was import. Oh. Ah. Interesting. I want it as a, well, yeah, texture. Okay.
Let's re-import the
Flags. Repeat. I mean, it doesn't matter with selecting them, right? It's just about the size. Bitmap? No bitmap. Mode. Roughness. Mode. Process. I mean, maybe it's just fine as is then. It's just way too big. It's too big back there. I wanted to fill the screen. But not like that. Welcome in socks. Welcome in. And make a nicer background for this. But I'm not sure what we're dealing with. Or how I'm gonna make it really work here. I guess what I'm realizing now. So it's this. Region. That's it. 1280. 5, 720. So let's see. What can I do with the parallax here? Repeat size? Oh. Oh, well, it'll be 1280. Oh. It's not 1280? Oh, it's because I have it scaled. How did I... I mean, that's... So that will repeat, but this isn't what I want. Literally down to the pixel. Oh god. Wait, what? Ah. It's just not scaled perfectly. Brilliant. Well, now it's looping. But it's too tall. It's too big. It's just too large. I mean, maybe the game is just sized too big. Window size, that is. Well, no, I mean, I should be able to make this work. I think I do. I just need to make it smaller. But how much do I scale it down? To the window size, basically? I don't ever want it to leave the background, though. Like, do I just make it really tall? Like, do I just have to do something like this? Well, that's not what I want, but... I can just make it way taller. I guess not like that, but... I'll put like this. It's still... not really... That ain't really it. Maybe I actually don't want the horizontal scroll at all. Or vertical scroll, that is. Oh, unlink them. Oh, shoot. What were they before? Unlink 0. 0. Okay. I don't think that's what we want. Right? Otherwise, yeah, we end up seeing more from below all the time. That'd be weird. What happens here? Yeah, nothing. Okay. Please come back up. 5. Now it should... I mean, that feels like it's pretty much the same. No, that is revealing less. I don't know. I don't want to be able to see more of it as we go up. I just kind of want a background. Maybe this one shouldn't be a parallax layer. Maybe it should just be just a layer. Oh my god, has this not been in the parallax thing this whole time? Okay, maybe it shouldn't be. Oh wait. Oh, how did this happen? Okay, there we go. Cool. Alright, but this... Okay, yeah, that's right. This is right. Yeah. Oh, right. Also, full screen. Wait. Yeah. Cool. Alright, so if I just need to make... I need to make it smaller, but taller. But not, like, taller. Or no. I need to make it just on the same layer here. But behind it. Like it. Yeah. 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 Okay. So we'll want something like this. But I think we are going to want it to be a lot more brightness towards the bottom. And also like half scale? I didn't even really realize that, but if we, let's see, this, I'm gonna bring it down by half, just, whoa, wait, 1280, right? 1280 at 640 would be half. That checks out to me in my brain. So then we, let's see, do that, and then, let's see. Instead, let's see, not lock it, stretch it, no. I mean, I don't want to crop it to the content. I want to fill in stuff up here. Let's see. So now, if I crop the content, cool, we'll have that top and bottom. Now we need to use Fill Tool, fill all this in. Yep. Wait. I need to see, is there like a line going around the side of one of these colors? That's not okay. Oh, right. Alright, so this transformation layer is, let's see, transformation layer to image size. There we go. Okay. That's more like it. And I think actually we also want to just move it upwards. There, image size, fill, there we go. Alright, so now what if we export this? Throw that in there instead. Maybe I need to export it first. Alright, so 40. 720. Okay. How does this look now? Should be much more reasonable scale. Cool. Alright, I like that. Let's make this layer a bit bigger though. Let's turn this grid back on. It's gonna be sort of messed up entirely, but we'll try to keep it relatively within some kind of system here. Burn. This is copy, paste, drag it all down. Zero. There we go. Merge it down. Fill all this in. Look at that grid. Cool. I like that. I like that a lot. Alright, is that right? 640 by 720? I feel like it's taller than that. Actually, no, that makes sense. But why is this scale all around? There we go. So, wait, put it up like in here. And then, I mean, really, full level should just be further down. Is there any way to just like copy paste, move the whole thing? Love it. Alright, I guess big thing is I want the camera to stay locked into the scene as well. Limit. Oh. Left. 0. Oh my god, that's perfect. That's exactly what I need. I wanted this. So, wait. Not 1920. 1280. Top. Top is also 0. Bottom be 720. Smooth? What does smoothing this do? Very smoothly stops when it reaches limits. Yep, I would like that. So, we can start over here. And the camera won't go off the left side of the screen here. Going off the left side of the screen here. Oh. Camera, I mean, it's anchored to the player. Let's see. Go. Collision boxes around the camera bounce? That's weird. 2D. Yeah, there we go. I'm working on a 2D game where the player, the camera, I'd like to limit the movement of it. Level position. This isn't quite what I want either. But yeah, that should limit it. So if I mean, what if I do something like that? Let's take it to the extreme. But will it follow the player once it can? Okay. And why wasn't it doing it here? Seems like it should be doing exactly what it just was. I guess one easy test would just be... Okay, yeah. I mean, what about just like got a little bit further to the right? Like why did setting it to like an extreme make such a difference? Like it just doesn't have anything going on with it? Like at what point does it actually lock off where I want it to? Seems about 150s. Oh, and then even then. Huh. Doesn't make sense. It'd just be 0. I mean, that's what it looks like here, that it's preventing it from going off the left side there. But not. Weird. I don't know, it should be tied to the player. But why are its limits being weird? Maybe turn off the smoothing? Yeah, like, it shouldn't be able to go below here either. Like, we should be... Because, yeah, like, snapped down into the corner there. But it is, it's as soon as it's got to be distance from the player. So wait, this is wow. Okay. So I need to figure out where it is exactly. Start drifting up the edge here. Okay. At 168. Wait, 320? No, it was 150 was the number I was looking at. Shoot. Oh, man. Let's see. Camera. Godot. Camera to the limit. Limit bounds dynamically.
Today we're going to learn how to limit the area shown by your camera in an easy to use and scalable way.
Yes.
Let's go. Create a new script.
Create a script for it.
Which can have values. Otherwise,
Wow, there's values for this, bro.
the rectangle shaped strip will make it a bit larger than the player hitbox.
Wait.
Have the values. No. Top.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
We need a collision monitor.
No. Don't have limits. Code. Wait, this doesn't help. Set the limit. Bottom limit, top. Roll limit pixel. Camera stop directly. Offset. Push view. Pass. I mean, I don't think we have any offset for camera here, yeah. Yeah, no offset. The zoom might do it though, I didn't think about that. That's what's doing it. Alright, but we're gonna be playing in these levels. They're gonna be longer, but they shouldn't ever be taller. So wait, does that mean if I set my limits... Shoot. How does that work? Well, okay. And what about this? What if I just make the camera size smaller? Does that work? Does that even work? What does that do? If I change the project settings to, where is it? What would that be? 640 by 360? Feels weird. Oh. I see. 20. That's not what I'm looking for. We want not the display window, the rendering viewport? No. Oh, okay. Maybe it is just the camera that I'm looking at that. What did I do? Oh. 1280. 720. There we go. No, that's right, but I don't know the camera zoomed in. Double zoom. Go down to play. Okay, so I don't know if it's gonna be half the size or what. What if I bottom? So I guess this should be 360. But well, no, you need to be. It's gonna be like 1280 minus something. Right, this should keep it off the bottom now. Oh, no. Oh. Wait, okay. I guess... Why? What is the camera size to? By default? Size of... play area? Well, this doesn't. 40, 360. That is much smaller. Then, if the camera's zoom is at 1, then things are like normal. You got a full screen, but okay, okay. This is more what I'm looking for. This is pretty much the proper size as well. But why is the camera still going off the bottom now? Oh wait, right, it should be... Oh. Wait. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I mean, that should be right. Should be limited to... yeah, this box, I guess. Top and bottom just don't seem to be limiting, right? What the hell? Oh. I think it's supposed to be on the plate. Hmm. I mean, star shape, I just don't know why it keeps dropping below where it's supposed to here. Yeah, it's not... How? Yeah, it's like, what if I do that? Yeah, what? What? Can I just... I still want to be able to see this. Let's see. We can actually start pulling it up until we hit 560. Why? That's not how that's supposed to work. What? Don't make no sense. How big is the camera? What are we offset? Limit. I mean, it's just the same size. There's nothing like to it, right? I can move it. Okay. Maybe it's just, it needs to be like centered on the player or something. I don't get it. The camera, it just shouldn't move below there. It should be that simple. Camera 2D. See a 2D collision shape. Other collision right to the borders. Never touched around the outside. Area 2D. Has to be.
In this video, I'm going to show you how we can set up a simple auto script and use it to set our camera.
Kind of. Not exactly what I want.
Hi, my name is Michael, and welcome to my 2D action.
Get stuck. And then it's my room. Yeah, there we go. Not limiting all axes. Camera 2D is limit setup. Right, left. Camera limits are basic limitation. Doesn't really work. Let's just clamp the camera position to be within the limits. Alright. Well, then maybe I'm doing something wrong here. Text settings. 360 by 640. Double both of those. 1280 by 720. Here. Like, if I move the camera above the player, like... Kind of, but it's still, again, not limited. Why? I think if I start over here, it'll just be out. I want to know how far down that goes, though. Paint. Dial. There we go. So am I falling continuously or does it stop? It does stop. My math just wrong? You know, it probably is. This probably isn't double the height of the scene. But it is, though. But it is exactly. God damn it. Alright. Screw this. Bring you onto this level. Brilliant. And then same with this. Select it all. Then wait, what? No, wait, what? These are, oh. Why did I think my tiles were 32 by 32? Everything's 16 by 16. But, wait, is that a problem then for our resolution here? These should all be divisible by 16. Right? 360 divided by 16. Oh. Bam. I mean, I guess that's not really a problem. That brick's going off the bottom there. So, 6. Well, okay, actually, no right limit, but the bottom should be limited to 360. So, we shouldn't be able to see off the bottom of these bricks here. Thank God. And then if we fall, it doesn't fall. Perfect. Alright. I think we've got the camera and stuff actually proper here now. Oh, well, we are going to run some ads on the Twitch side. I'm going to take a quick break. Get up and do some stretches. We'll be back in just a few. We're so back. Let's see. Where? Yeah. Oh shoot! I left my water up there. I'll be right back again. Oh, right. Got my water and we're good to go. Where were we? Camera's locked. Stuff's looking good. I'm gonna bring this background. I guess we don't really need this anymore. This was the orange tiles there. This is within the parallax level. Okay, yeah. But you should just be a bit lower, maybe. Maybe I should make the darker ones. Oh. Oh, right, and then I guess, so on the camera, no top limit. There we go. Yeah! Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. Very much a fan. You know what it is with the pants? They're so plain. It's because he's got all the dithering all over his cloak, and his legs are just brown. I think it's fine. I think he looks good. He looks good having a lot more movement now. You guys are jumping around. He's florping, flapping. Boing. Boing, boing, boing. Definitely more stoppage. Boing. Cool, alright. So let's figure out how to make this scroll properly. I don't think it's actually going to be too bad. So, can I... Well, actually, I guess it wouldn't hurt to have it just like slightly parallaxed. Like maybe instead of 0.5 we do like 0.9. And then this, I guess we'll leave it at 2. I don't really know how that works entirely. Yeah, I like that. I like just a little bit of scrollage on it. But then we'll still see stuff go by. So if we make a totally, so I want to have this windowed maximized. So if I play this, it'll cool. Okay, yeah. I still want it windowed, but that's much more ideal. Right. Sweet. Wonder if I could make it so that as he's going up, just as if the y velocity is 0, it goes to normal. Set sprite. Well, set sprite. On the floor, the velocity y less than 0. It should be as easy as this. If the velocity dot y is equal to 0 and not is on floor, I think we just want it to be idle again, basically. So that should happen just rarely. I mean, pretty much only in between jumps here. I don't think I see it happening, though. Looks like it's just immediately going up. Let's see. I guess I can also just do a little test here too. Print. Test. Test. Oh, it did print it. Okay, so it looks like it probably does do it just well for not even a single frame. Like, it doesn't look like it's doing it at all. Oh, wait, what? Ah, okay. So it's probably never hitting exactly 0 at the top. It's probably just going from like 0.01 to negative 0.02, something like that. Okay, so then let's print out our velocity so we can see where those tiny little bits are. And we can just stick that inside of a range. Oh, right. Might need this to be printing somewhere where it's just always running. Oops. And this. Do a couple short hops, big hop. Alright. Smallest values get there. Like between -10 and 6 for the big hop. Short hop. Got closer. It was 0 to 15. Another short hop. And so it looks like maybe 20 is around where we'll want to put it. 2 and 13. 3 and 12. Do we even just go with 15? And it seems like occasionally you won't end up with it, but I bet what was it? There was one that was a bit more extreme, right? 0, 15. Maybe I'll just push it up to 16. -7 and 8. Oh, I think I misread that one. I think I misread the 23. So, okay. Is less than, and then what we'll call this -16 is greater than -16, and velocity.y is greater. No. It should be less than 16 or greater than -16. For a second there, I just forgot where things were on the keyboard. There we go. Oh. My answer mode? No. So this should do it. Let's see. Print. Let's do it again. Oh. Okay, I see test getting printed there. We're just not noticing the animation happen. Like it seemed like it's getting there. Test. Maybe we make it a bit more extreme. Maybe we go with just 30. It's, yeah, negative when we're going up, yeah. There we go. Nice. I want to make the jump one a bit better too. It's not really a jump crouch either. It's just our jump. I think I need to make it just come down a bit more. It looks a bit weird on the edges, I think. Well, let's see. Go back. We still have it open? Perfect. Jump. Yeah. Let's do a little pixel painting. Woo. Put that back down to 1. Yes. That's all we need there. Oh. Got that a little bit there. Yeah. I think that's good. Maybe even just to really make it look like it's actually, yeah, and a bit more. We'll do this. What I'm gonna do. And then actually we'll take this color, we'll bring it down way down so it looks like it's like in the back, kinda. Like that's the back of the cloak coming down behind his legs. Let's try it. We want to export it? Yeah. God, and it's so nice. So all we gotta do is now we just open up the file, go to the tile set, go to the wizard sprite, put the wizard tile set in there, and it should just work. I didn't export it. I always do that. There's 2 export windows. You choose it, choose where the file is gonna go, And then it opens another window that you have to hit export on. There we go. Yeah! Oh, he's looking good. Yeah! Oh, cool. Hey! Sweet. Looking good, little guy. Coming together, coming together. Let's hit a quick save on there, and let's get rid of those comments in the code before I forget that they're in there. A good practice. Is this, do we have like a hashtag to do? Oh, love it. Cool. Good, it's good practice to throw like comments or specifically things like a to do or something that'll have like some kind of ping that you can see. If you do like a /to do, it'll I mean, it will just stand out a little bit more in your code. I literally lost the one that I just put in there for, oh, example, because I didn't put it in caps. Tofo. Godot. So you're just scrolling through, yeah, oh, I caught my eye, but also good to put that on something like your print statements, just things like that. Which I'm guilty of not really doing too much, but little tests like that are going pretty quick. Early days here. But as we get more complicated with this, it's definitely going to be necessary. Okay. Let's get the scrolling. So, it should... Can I just make it repeat forever? Oh, sweet. Oh, wait. So... I mean, wait, okay. So, I mean, it'll follow. But, like, it won't loop for... Oh! It won't loop forever. A couple mistakes in there. Either that, or that might be just be the seam. No, I think there are some errors in there. That makes sense that they're right on the edge. Covered up by the pixelated edge there. I wish I could just get rid of that. Like, I don't want that there. I don't want to have the highlight. No selection. Can I, like, clear the selection? Oh, wait, right. I don't even have to do anything. I can just... Oh, there's no selection. Now it's all selected. There's no getting around it. Alright. Export this where it's gotta go. Don't forget. Actually export it. Always forgetting. Alright. Now we can replace this. So that should look right now. Oh. Overwrite. There we go. I don't really, well, might as well, a little extra bit of play testing. Oh. Why are we floating on... When we walk, we're kind of floating a little. I remember we were having problems with that before where... Oh, what's this? How's her hitbox? It's like, that looks right. Maybe I ought to shorten this. Just in case? Maybe that's doing something to it. Oh, we're still just kind of floating a little bit. It might just be sort of based on the screen size. That's not good, regardless. Weird. You know, that could just have to do with, let's see, collision shape. One-way collision, rotation, skew, height. Is there like some kind of physics rules? Like, player, here we go. Collision. No. Floor. The snapping vectors is it given? Okay. This option avoids speed trigger. Neat. Best slopes. Not interested in that. Collision, safe margin. Higher value means more flexible, which helps consistently detecting a lower value, force the algorithm to detect. Make it just a little bit lower, like, oh god, like 0.5. So I wonder if that's what it is. That honestly might have been it. Oh, nope. Well, easy way to test it is we can just change the value. Seems like a lot of this stuff we can actually just straight up edit in real time. Oh, whoops. You know, make that collision, save, reload this. Okay, yeah, it does seem that that is what it is. But I don't want it to be, like, ridiculously low. Maybe just 0.1 will be good enough? Cool. That looks like that's good enough. I mean, it seems like it says higher value means it's more flexible, lower value forces the collision to use more exact, so it can be used or require precisions. Oh, okay, so it doesn't seem like it takes any more, like, processing to do. Oh, my headphones are dying. That's fine. I'll just not have music for a minute. Luckily, I'm not working with any kind of sound design yet. So, not a problem. What else do we need? Let's see. So we got that scrolling, but we need it to scroll forever. We need it to scroll forever? We really need it to scroll forever? Like, can we not... How many... I mean, I guess it'll just depend on how big the castle gets. The other thing is, I don't want to be totally limited in height here. If we will... I don't know if we'll go deeper. I don't know how big we'll get with these levels. I guess we really can probably stay within this scope, just going all the way up to the top here, because we can always just raise this to be taller too. Not to mention, I guess, just bring the whole thing up, like the sprite itself. If we want it to be on screen still, we can always just literally bring it up. Okay, okay. Neat. I think it looks pretty alright, but this definitely is not going to be our final design for it. And let's let's see. Cool. Yeah, I guess we'll... And then at that, what's next? We got that looping. We got the guy moving. The camera's cameraing. Locked into where we want it to be. I guess, I mean, that might be kind of figuring out how to even make multiple levels here. But I feel like I've got probably a good chunk of tutorials to get through there. But I think we made some good progress here. We've got this in a very nice day. I just want to get some more art done today, mostly. And I think having the simpler background is going to be a lot nicer. We'll work with that for now. And see where we go. But maybe it's time to design a little bit more level stuff here. I'll leave all that there, but I'll just kind of keep going. Let's see, we'll do that though by adding, where is this? Let's see. We'll just throw a cheaty block in. I guess it doesn't matter where. Anywhere there. Cool. There, so camera doesn't go below here. Might as well just. Whoop. I think. Might as well just get rid of this. And if I get rid of this, let's just see. So we go in here. Oh. Didn't I? Oh. I totally missed it. Yeah, the line's right there. Okay, I know that is the bottom of our map here. Okay. Cool. In that case, might be worth figuring out kill zones and other things. Getting respawning going. I think figuring out other levels is going to be first big step. Cool. Yeah, because with this jump itself, I'm not sure how much really there is you'd want to do with it. Because at this point now I'm thinking like, okay, you're down here, you've got this, but normally, ideally, in a perfect world where you've taken all the notes and made the book correctly, you'd have a double jump. But you don't. And the turnaround thing isn't great. I guess it wouldn't hurt just kind of having a little bit of like a playground here. So you know what we'll do is we'll just create baseline down here. Land on. There'll be somewhere to fall there. I'll leave that there. Cool. And this will just kind of make a little bit just a playground, really. Nothing too crazy, but then let's see. I do want to do some stuff that are like, these are the limits of your jump. Say, because you could get up 7th, right? What was it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then on the 8th, yeah, but we can make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yeah. So yeah, you can make it up there. But then I am also interested in maybe creating more situations like this. Oop. It'll be this. No. This would have been this one. Wait, okay, so then this, we're gonna go across like this. This is actually supposed to be this one. Curious, yeah, how far can we jump like this, drop, how close can we get back to under there? I guess it's also just having some random jumps around the place here could be interesting. With a bit more of something to do. And then let's see. Well, we'll see what we got there. I mean, aside from the original trials. Oh. You know, you just got this stuff. Some jumpage to be had. Oh. Ah. Yeah, kind of curious about this too. Yeah, cool. Yeah, true. Cute. I like it. Little platformy guy. And then I think I do want to let's make a death barrier thing. So when we fall out, we just respawn. So I think that's going to be is a collision shape. And it'll be a world border. Where is it? There it is. And let's have that down here at the bottom of the screen. Actually, I'll have it just a little bit. Nah, actually, I'll have it right at the. Nah, but a little bit below. So that way, like when you touch it, you don't just poof immediately. It's actually go a bit. What is that? Oh. I don't know what that do. Well, I'm gonna line that up with it because that seems like probably some kind of unit size that we can just measure with. So how do I do with this? This will be death plane. I mean, it's not really a plane line, but close enough. So how do I make that work? Godot. Death plane. Well, 2D respawn. Yeah. Respawn system. Do that, but 2D. I just want the respawn. Alright.
What's up, guys? Today we're going to make a simple checkpoint
How do we
system for a
make
2D
players
platformer in Godot 4.
spawn?
Alright. So
Death zone.
we want to make sure that we have death zone selected. We can do body entered, connecting from death zone, and connect. That's gonna
Alright.
give us this on body entered function. Now we want to make sure
Wait,
that
so
our
we do
players are in a
script
group. So if we go
on
back over
body
to our
entered.
player and go to groups. enter
Right. Oh wait, what am I even doing? I have the tutorial for this, don't I? Godot. Oh, I guess not. I have a playlist saved. Playlist. Tutorial. It's this guy. Wait, no, not this one. It was Godot University.
Hey, it's Lucky.
How to make a game.
But this Godot uses
Score, audio, export. Oh, I thought there was like a respawn thing that we did. Oh yeah, dying. There we go. Close that one. Yep. Put it there. Body entered.
Of course, we now timer. When the
Timer will
runs out,
start.
it triggers
Get tree.
the on timer when our timer runs out. And
Go,
again,
timer runs out. Okay, yeah.
for this. So with our timer node selected, let's go ahead.
So should this have just been? Well, it is. It's its own scene, right? So add a script to you. Scenes. Deathplane.gd. How do I? I mean, is there any? Oh, whoa. Close. Don't save. I guess because we'll want to reuse death planes. So actually, get rid of this. Create new 2D scene. And we want. Wait, no. Don't save. Create new. Other node? Just a collision shape? What is that? That they made for that?
Move tool to position it down here at the bottom. I'm gonna place it pretty far down so
Okay.
when we fall off area, we again use the and save to do
Wait,
this,
how did he
it
just
allows us
go
use
to it?
the
Okay.
same kill zone for more than just falling off the map, such as for spike traps, enemies, all kinds of elements of danger. And when we want to create a reusable element, we start by
Reusable
making
element.
a scene. Then to detect if we enter an area, we again use the area 2D node.
Area 2D. Okay.
Let's make sure to set the collision mask here to 2. We only want to check for the player, which is on layer 2.
Collision. I see. So this is collision layers. So this. Oh. I don't know what layer that's on then. They're just there. Okay, that's fine. Hey, welcome in, Harmon. Hello. How goes? We're working on our game here. Oh, Maybe there's a script. Get rid of this script. Don't need that one. Wait. Don't need that script. Yeah, that script doesn't exist anymore. Area 2D. So from here, we don't need to worry about the layers. Got any tips for using skulk sensors? I mean, they're a little annoying to work with. It kind of depends what you want to do with them. I guess I don't really have any tips. Just be aware of like how you can use wool to block off the sound. And if you're using the calibrated ones, then it even gets a little bit more complicated. But there's a whole bunch of different sounds that it can listen for.
Might have different shapes.
But I do want to do some more shorts about them, because there's so many things that the calibrated sculk sensor can listen for that we'll definitely be seeing some shorts for them soon enough. Well, okay, I mean, you can rename this, yeah, kill zone, that's fine.
And for the shape, we'll use the same world boundary shape that we used for the ground. Now let's make sure to select the kill zone node itself, go into move, and use the move tool to position it down here at the bottom.
I'm confused.
So let's use the
Okay.
body entered signal. Let's double click it, hit connect.
So we take our kill zone and just put it in the scene already? I mean, yeah, it just goes somewhere in the scene. How? Wait. Scenes. Scene game. Wait. What happened to this? Didn't that just get saved somewhere? We get short about like building traps with it. Oh yeah, nah. There's definitely plenty of traps that can be made with it. So the tile sets. I literally. Oh, there it is. Should be in scenes. That's not how this works. When work is being stressful and you get a headache. Boo. Hate to hear it. Okay, so we don't care about that. Care about this. So what does he do here? How do you get the kill zone in there? Save it. And here. Oh, wait. Substantiate child scene. Whoa. And then this is gonna have a collision shape 2D. That'll be the world border. That'll be down here. Oh yeah, I lined up that on there. That'll do. That'll do. I really know. I should just have it at the bottom, and there's gonna be a timer. It looks like, which makes sense to me. We'll just add that. Thing. So we got the kill zone. And the collision shape hit the border. Did not get fired though. Hell yeah.
Now let's make sure to select the kill zone node itself. Go into
Kill zone node itself.
move tool to
Where you
position
want
it
to.
down
Blah
here.
blah blah.
I'm gonna place it pretty far down so we're sure we don't hit this by accident. Or I mean, we're gonna be hitting
Fair.
it by
Although
accident.
actually, yeah. I mean, I guess in theory we could
Hit it on
like
purpose.
jump back out. So we'll
I don't know.
give it a little bit of leeway.
I'm gonna place it down here, a good bit away from us. It's going to let's
Alright.
add, in which case, go
Just okay.
let's select it. Add a new script for the
Go to the kill zone. Add a script.
empty and the path
Empty object. Kill zone. Script. Empty object.
under the scripts folder. And now we have this empty script.
Oh. Where's that? Damn it. That's fine. Chain with the scripts.
Script to play with.
Alright.
Signal, so go node. Make sure we have the
Go to
zone
nodes.
selected.
We have
And again, we'll
kill
use
zone
the
selected.
body entered signal.
Nodes.
Let's double click it, hit connect.
Body
It's going to
entered.
function on body entered, in which case
Connect.
go ahead and print that.
So yeah, there's testing, blah blah blah. Don't really care about the print.
So if we look at this example tree in our upcoming video on GDScript, for now just know that using this
Okay.
drag and drag
So we have the
and
on,
access
ready,
timer node using
bar.
the timer. So to start our timer, we have a new line, right?
Timer, toll where,
Start.
timer,
Of course,
Ti-
we now need to trigger some code.
timer,
Timer
at
and
timer.
use a signal for this. So with our timer node
Nope.
selected,
Well, it's money timer.
and here's the timeout signal. So let's double click that.
And then yeah, when we get in there,
And this creates a new function called on timer timeout that
Uh,
will tell when the timer ends. And then in here we
time-
have some
timer.
text that
timer dot
do this, we
start.
can access the scene tree, so we get
So
Player enters the kill zone and triggers
wait, did we just write that or is that an import? That's what I thought. Okay. Might want to add a timer. Something like that, yeah. Timer.
Let's double click that and hit connect. And this creates
Nope.
a new function called onTimerTimeout that runs when we
So
time
here,
and then in here we can simply
Nope.
restart our game.
node.
This we first access the scene tree, so
Yeah, there we go.
player
I'm out.
to reload,
I'm out.
scene. So our player enters the kill zone and clicks
Next.
on body image function. This prints a message that we died.
Get
Start
tree.
the timer. When the timer runs out, it triggers the onTimerTimeout function, which then reloads our scene and restarts the game. And indeed, when we play and jump off the map,
Oh,
we
the
fall
tree
down.
dot.
So reload current.
What? Get tree. Oh, yep. Dot. Reload current scene. This makes sense. So. Yeah, cool. Timer. How long is your timer? 1 second. Yeah, cool. In that case, I had just like another collision shape 2D. Actually, nah. I'm just gonna make wall on this side. It'll be off screen, so it doesn't really matter. But we'll still fill in the corners properly. Doop. Okay. Boom. In it, can't walk off the side. Wow. 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 Looking good. Cool. And we just got another little area to vibe around in. Yeah, I'm like, make 7 blocks. I've done it before. Oh. Also thinking like ways that it'll get recharged. Like maybe if you do an actual wall jump, it won't count as the double jump thing because like it didn't use your double jump in the way normally you would use a double jump. You did the wall jump properly. Then you still have an air one. Kind of what I'm thinking. Let's go. Oh, he dancing. Cool. Alright, I think I'm gonna call it there for today though. Good freaking progress. And good freaking game. Liking it, liking the looks of it. We'll work on the background more, some art and stuff, but we'll be back tomorrow with a variety day. We'll be doing all sorts of stuff. What do we got for errors here? Body. Never use the function.
Scene. So our player enters the
Yeah, I don't
kill
think we
zone
need to
and
use it.
triggers the
Just reloads the scene.
function. This prints a message that we
But the
died.
body that normally entered it, yeah, would just be thing. So for like a player, maybe we'd up a death counter or something. But not important, not important. Cool. Thanks for coming in though. Either tomorrow, like I said, with some regular gaming. We'll definitely be doing more game dev next week. And I'll probably be doing some just random streams as well, working on this. Maybe no mic, no cam type things, but just have it on, play some music, and we'll just vibe. Well, till then, see you next time. Have a good one. Peace.